Hello and welcome back Year 5 to day 2 of our second week of ratio. Here are your answers to yesterday. If you keep the video rolling, there is a screenshot if you want to have a closer look. Okay, today we're going to look at doing some problem solving based around ratio comparing the relative sizes of 3 quantities. So I'm going to do a couple for you and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to solve them, and then I'm going to give you some to try at home. So let's have a look at this problem first. Ella has 3 colouring pencils, a red one, a green one and a blue one. The ratio of the length of the red pencil to the length of the green pencil to the length of the blue pencil is 1 to 3 to 5. The blue pencil is 15 centimetres long. How long is the green pencil? That's a very wordy question, isn't it? But when you look at it, actually, we can pull the information we need out quite easily. Now, what I like to do when I solve a problem, particularly a very wordy one, is just jot down the facts that I need in an easy to understand way. So I'm just going to write here, red to green to blue. And then underneath, I'm just going to write 1 to 3 to 5, because that's basically what I need to know to solve the problem. And then I have one more fact that I have, and that's that the blue pencil is 15 centimetres long. So I'm just going to do a little, one of our little diagrams here to express it in a different form. And the one that I have the answer for, or the value for, is blue. So blue is going to be 15. Okay, and we don't know the others, but we can work it out. So 5 times by 3 is 15. So if I times that number by 3, I've also got to use 3 as my multiplying factor on the other numbers. 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So now I have my new ratio, and now I need to go back to the question and see what I need to work out. How long is the green pencil? Well, the middle number represents the green pencil, so the green pencil is 9 centimetres long. Don't forget to always make sure you're actually answering the question, preferably in a sentence with units as well. So that's one way of working out that sort of problem. Let's have a look at another one. Alex cuts a piece of rope into 3 pieces. The lengths are in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. The original length of the rope was 70 centimetres long. How long is each piece of string? Okay, so this time I've got my ratio of 2 to 3 to 5. I don't know any of the lengths this time. I only know the total length. So for this one, I'm going to solve it a little bit differently. There are multiple ways to approach this problem. I'm just showing you one possibility. And because, as you know, I'm such a fan of a bar model, I'm going to draw a bar. Now it is freehand, so it's not quite as equal as it could be. Obviously, if you've got squared paper at home, that might help you a little bit here. And I'm drawing it in the ratio that I've been given. So I've got, let's call it piece A, piece B, and piece C. So the ratio is 2 to 3 to 5. So the other piece of information I have is that the total length of the rope is 70 centimetres. So now I have everything I need in a visual representation to try to now work out what I need to do. Because what I need to know is how much each of these blocks is worth, and then I can go from there. So how many units have I got in my representation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Could have got that, couldn't we, by adding together the numbers in our ratio. So we've got 10 units, and we've got 70 centimetres, and because they're equal, we can do a division here. 70 divided by those 10 units is going to be 7 centimetres for each block. Now you could, if you want to, write it on. You might find that useful. So each unit is 7 centimetres. Okay, now I've got that, I can quite easily work out how long each piece of string is. Piece A is 2 lots of 7, so 14 centimetres. Piece B is 3 lots of 7, 21 centimetres. And piece C is 5 lots of 7, So 35 centimetres. One way of checking this now is I could add all of these numbers up and check that they add up to 70, which they do, and so there's my answer to that problem. So for your problems today, you might want to do just the abstract, you might want to draw a bar model, you might want to do a combination, or you might have a different way. Maybe you want to use items at home that are going to help you. Any way is fine. If you get the right answer and you can explain what you did, then any way is absolutely fine. Here are your problems, and I'll come back tomorrow with some answers.